9:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What do we have here? E-mini futures, S&P 500 E-mini futures, 5-minute chart. We're going to go into the opening bell with a 28-point gap in pre-market. We hit 3406.25 up on the highs, and that we did. And it was a clean move exactly to that point. Pre-market updates and pre-market futures are also going to set the tone for the day. One of the things that we are going to talk about is the September volatility and what it has been bringing to the markets. Now, one of the things that we do know is that volatility, once they hit that upper end of this resistance because of their daily sell signals, then they sell. So when you're buying these things off of the bottom, the futures market is going to tell you which direction that they're really going to go. And so the opening bell, what we're going to be looking for is what we seen yesterday on Monday on 9/14, is where they did sell a lot of the big high flyers and whatnot. And this is how the tone of the opening bell is going to open. And equities will also have what we call a gap open up. That's how you get those gaps. So we're looking for the sell gaps on the opening bell across the board. Then once those sell gaps come down, we'll get out of that side and then set up the bull market side, because you see, you don't want to buy the highs because you don't. And in the options market, it's going to be very tricky. So you're going to have really big, wide bid and ask ranges in the call side and the put side in the options market. We're the market makers in that market. And pre-market is always important. And most people don't even know why stocks go up. Well, the futures are going up, then the leadership stocks are going higher, period. And it's going to drive it. And it's a mechanism that works. So understanding the futures market is going to help you set up the day. So markets will open up here in about an hour. And we'll see if we come back up, what that opening bell is like. Updating all traders, pre-market updates, pre-market stock alerts will be set up for those people in the live trading room via live trading room. So go ahead and get involved. Pre-market S&P 500 futures up 30.5 right now and climbing. This is the second day that we've had the gap open up. Yesterday, they sold a lot of names down, like the Amazons and the Googles, and there was a lot of other ones. And then there were ones that attempted a recovery, but also came down again. So understanding the trends versus the gaps in pre-markets. Pre-markets are always going to set those high price opening bell on the opening bell. So, once again, don't buy the highs, everyone. And go ahead and get into the free trial. That's why we're here. Once again, powering all of our traders. Option market's going to be set up, everybody. Have big bid and ask ranges. Have to be careful. Have to be patient. Have to have discipline in pre-market. S&P 500 pre-market. Bull market gap open up is ripping higher.